Tesla is always on the move, constantly tweaking its tech and refining its vehicles. Today, we're diving into some fresh updates that touch on everything from how you pay at a supercharger to what's inside your Cybertruck, and even a potential screen upgrade for your Model Y or Model 3. Let's kick things off with a change coming to Tesla's Supercharger network, specifically the V4 stations. The company is rolling out a new centralized payment kiosk system. Instead of having individual payment terminals at each charging stall, you'll find one main kiosk for the entire station. The main idea behind this move is pretty straightforward. It helps cut down on maintenance costs for Tesla. Fewer individual terminals mean less hardware to look after, which makes sense from a logistical standpoint. Now here's where it gets interesting for drivers. This new kiosk system is also a strategic play to get more people using the Tesla app. Reports suggest that if you pay at the physical kiosk without using the app, it could cost you significantly more. This pricing strategy is designed to nudge users towards downloading the Tesla app and integrating deeper into the brand's ecosystem. For Tesla owners, using the app for charging is already a pretty seamless experience, and this change aims to make that the default for everyone, potentially streamlining the whole charging process. Next up, let's talk about the Cybertruck. This vehicle is already known for its unique design, but it's hiding a cool piece of tech that's not quite active yet. It turns out the Cybertruck comes equipped with the hardware for active noise cancellation, or ANC. That's right, the components are already built in. However, the functionality is currently disabled via software. The expectation is that a future software update will flip the switch, activating the ANC. When that happens, Cybertruck owners can look forward to an even quieter cabin experience, which would be a nice bonus for long drives or just enjoying your music. Finally, we've got some exciting news for Model Y and Model 3 owners, especially those who love a bigger screen. New Model Y vehicles are now shipping with larger 16-inch display screens. That's a noticeable bump up from the previous size. But here's the really intriguing part. Testing indicates that these new, larger screens might actually be compatible with older Model Y and even Model 3 vehicles. This means there's a potential for owners of existing models to get a significant upgrade in screen size and resolution, bringing a fresh, modern feel to their car's interior. It's a development that could offer a substantial visual and functional improvement for many Tesla drivers. These updates, from the Supercharger payment system to the Cybertruck's hidden ANC and the Model Y/3 screen upgrades, all point to Tesla's continuous effort to refine its products and user experience. Whether it's streamlining charging, enhancing cabin comfort, or improving in-car tech, these developments are part of the ongoing evolution of the Tesla ecosystem. For more factual analysis on the latest in automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay informed.